Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a coffee nudge. Now you want to start off with your coffee mug and get your warm coffee ready. And we're going to take a look at our ingredients. We're going to be using a dark creme de cacao. We're going to be using a coffee liqueur, Kahlua, one of my favorites. And we're going to be using a brandy. If you like to bring it up a notch, try cognac. We're going to go equal parts on our Kahlua and our creme de cacao. And we're going to add just a little bit less of our cognac because we don't want to overpower it. So what I'd recommend here is half an ounce, quarter ounce. So with our Kahlua or coffee liqueur and our creme de cacao, a 2 count. Ready? 1, 2. From there, we're going to add in our quarter ounce of our cognac. Just a quick pour, maybe a little extra of a dash. We're going to fill the rest of our glass up with our coffee. And I'm going to make a note that our recipe here doesn't call for whipped cream, but I always like to add whipped cream and cherry to all my coffee drinks. And that is going to be your coffee nudge. Enjoy.